Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to highlight text in Microsoft Outlook on the website and turn it into a clickable link, making important information stand out in your emails. Let's begin. First, go to the official website, sign in, and once you're here, I want you to click on New Email over here on the top left corner of your screen to open a compose window. Click on it. Then I want you to type any text you want to emphasize. All right. For example, I'm just going to uh, do any random text. And I want you to select all of these with your mouse. And in the formatting toolbar, you should be able to see this icon. It shows insert a hyperlink. Click on it. All right. And you should be able to easily enter the URL or link. I'm just going to do google.com. And once done, you can click on OK. And that's it. You can see it has now been highlighted and you can check on it. It will say google.com, which is the exact same website I just entered earlier. And if you want to make sure that this works, you can send yourself a test email. Click on the email, click on the link, and see if it redirects you to the correct website. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.